Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Hope you guys are doing okay. I just have a quick little video. This is kind of like an update on the one I did before about how Honda is now offering payment deferrals if you're affected by this coronavirus. I just found out because a lot of you said that helped you guys out, and you probably waited on hold for like an hour or so because they were just slammed with all the phone calls because so many people are being affected by this. So they actually have a new option now. I just wanted to share with you real quick. Makes it really easy if you do need to take advantage of this. You just have to have a login to HondaFinancialServices.com. If you don't have one, you can make one. You need your account number from your loan or your lease. But once you do that, you just once you log in there, you'll go on the left-hand side where it says Manage My Payments, as you can see here. You'll click on Manage My Payments, and then the next screen will take you to, you see they added a new line there. It says Request Payment Deferral. Now, if you want that, you click on there. Then it'll take you to another screen. It'll say, were you affected by the coronavirus? If you push yes, then it's going to ask you, do you want 1 month or 2 month deferral? You can choose either. The most they'll do is 2 months, but you just select what works for you and then enter. Then the next screen will say, look over it, make sure, and then it'll show you that it's extending either the lease or the loan maturity date 2 months or 1 month, depending on what you choose. So some people were asking, does it mean the third month that you have to pay back the 2 that you didn't pay? No, it's just extending it 2 more months. So if you're going to pay your car off, not a huge thing. If you're thinking about trading it in soon, it will probably put you a little bit more negative. I mean, depending on what your payment is. But hey, if you need it and money's tight, then it's definitely a great thing because Honda's never done this before. So just want to share that with you so you don't get discouraged if you call in, because I've actually called in for another issue and it wouldn't have let me stay on hold. It just kicked me off because they already filled up, I guess, all the spots that were on hold. So now you don't need it. Just log in if you want to do this and request it. And then in 2 days, it'll be reflected on your account. You don't have to talk to anybody. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully none of you are in need, but I mean, there is a lot of people getting laid off and their hours cut. So hopefully this will help you guys a little bit. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. Just want to share that with you. And again, I'll have another mod video coming up in a little bit. I just find these videos really helpful more than mods right now. So I want to keep you guys in the loop. Okay? Hope everyone's doing good, and I will see you guys next time.